The first package holiday flights to Tunisia are taking off this morning for the first time since 30 British tourists were killed in a terrorist attack at one of the country's resorts in 2015. Katie Rickett is at Birmingham Airport for us this morning. Good morning to you, Katie. So what's the mood like amongst holiday makers setting off this morning?
Good morning. Well, the first flight out to Tunisia this morning was completely full, and the mood in this queue just an hour or so ago was very excited, actually. And many of the people we spoke to had still been flying to Tunisia via airports like Charles de Gaulle and Frankfurt, and they were relieved that they could now go from their doorstep. Of course, taking those alternative flights invalidated their insurance previously. Let's have a listen to what a few of them said to me this morning.
I'm just waiting to get back there. I've got friends already waiting for me, so it should be fun.
I've been coming over 30 years. Love it, love it, love it.
So are they right to fly? Well, of course, that no-fly advice was issued after a gunman opened fire on the beach in Sousse in 2015. But since then, the Tunisian ambassador in the UK says that they've been getting advice from British police on how to better protect the beaches and, of course, the busy tourist centres as well. They've also given training to hotel staff, but there is still a state of emergency in the country, and there are areas that the Foreign Office advises people not to visit. The biggest draw for Brits travelling to Tunisia is the price, with holidays of a week, all-inclusive, going for about £250. That's half of areas like Malta nearby, but experts told me they're expecting only around a tenth of the customers this year compared with 2015.
We can be confident now that the country is safe, and we have done everything in our capacity in order to make the resort, the hotels, as safe as possible.
Holidaymakers are, it seems, making their own decisions, and today there is another flight which is also sold out, and yet another one tomorrow.
OK, thanks for that, Katie. That's Katie Rickett there live at Birmingham Airport.